Hello again everyone, it's Corey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2021 Chevrolet Blazer and I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. This driver's side blade is 24 inches in length and the passenger side is 18 inches in length. So go ahead and lift up on the wiper arm. You can see this plastic clip here. All you need to do is lift up on that and that will allow you to release the blade and unlock it from the wiper arm. Okay, I like to get a screwdriver, flathead, stick it underneath this little clip and lift up. That will release it. And now you can go ahead and remove the blade by pushing down towards the windshield and it will come out like that. Now be careful that this wiper arm doesn't go flying back down and smack the glass because you could crack it or chip it. Just be careful of that. This is what it looks like. So then to insert your new blade, take it like this and lift up until you hear it click and then snap that clip back in place and gently fold it down towards the windshield. That's it. Same thing for the other side. Alright guys, now we can remove the rear wiper blade. This is a 12-inch blade. And first we have to remove this black plastic cover, so just grab a hold of it underneath. And then once you get it popped up like that, push it that way. And it will release from the wiper arm. You can see this little plastic hook here goes right here. So when you go to reinstall, you have to insert this first and bring it over and then push down. So now that we have the wiper blade exposed, there's a little black piece right underneath the wiper arm here, and you have to lift up on that and then bring the wiper blade towards you and then it will release. Now be very careful with this wiper arm. You don't want it to fly down and smack the glass, so you might want to put a cloth or something there, or just gently ease it down till it touches and leave it go while you get your wiper blade. Here's a close-up of that rear wiper blade. I just wanted to point this out to you. Here's that plastic piece I was telling you about you need to push up on. It's just easier to see this way. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, now we have our new wiper blade. I'm going to stick it under here like this, pull it up till you hear the click, and that's it. It's installed. All we need to do is put our cover back on. Take our cover. As you can see, this little hook here goes right in here. Once it's in there, you pull it towards you and then push down. And that's it. Good to go. Alright guys, that completes everything. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.